Ambrose, maybe you can respond to the amount of sugar that apparently is in stores, according to what she says, and yet we are importing.
Can you confirm to Kenyans 100,000 tons?
She said it.
It was
now,
in the
let me tell you,
yesterday.
the people of Kenya, this propaganda, the propaganda will not take anybody to State House. The capacity of Sony per year, as at now, is about 65,000 tons. We are hoping this year we will mill 75,000 the whole year. So how could we have done 100,000 tons in less than half the year? That's now the narrative, the propaganda you hear, because people don't know. We have armchair commentators on sugar issues based on facts picked from the streets. We do now about 65,000. We will mill, and that's our target this year, 75,000 tons. That is the capacity of Sony.
All right, let's separate.
Now, one, two, yes. Two, we don't have sugar which is stuck in the go-downs. We have a very small go-down, my brother, my sister. A very small go-down which cannot contain all that sugar.
We shall go there and see.
You get it?
Yeah.
And as at now, we do not even have enough sugar to reach Nairobi. We will actually want to be in Nairobi, we want to be in Kitengela, we want to be in Machakos. We don't have that sugar. Even now, if you go in there with your big lorry, you will not be given sugar. So this narrative that sugar is stuck, we don't have it, it is just because the Code Brigade thinks they have gotten a key to State House. State House is not that way. Get it this way. My brother, I don't get any allowance from Sugar Board, although I would be glad to receive that kind of money. We don't. What I can tell Kenyans...
You work for free. You sit for free.
What I can... Until you refund the illegal salaries,
you sit for free. No, no, just forget.
Now,
okay, I've taken. Does he sit for free?
Now,
when he
let
sits in
me
those
also
board
tell
meetings?
Kenyans,
Don't be...
we have 11 millers in this country. 6 of them are private. Okay? Kwale is also coming on board. All these millers are what would produce about 600,000 tons in a year. Kakira produces about 150,000 tons. It's one of the biggest millers in this region. Uganda has, as we talk now, a surplus of about 100,000 tons. Even if they were to offload what they have to Kenya, it would not be enough to satisfy our deficit. If sugar is not imported, Kenyans should always be prepared to pay 300 shillings per kilo. So that importation also helps to stabilize the price.
Okay.
Local.